Hi, welcome you all to the section of Mathematics for Standard 6. Myself, Sunita. Here I am dealing with 4th chapter, volume. First topic is large and small. Dear children, look at these two ropes. Here which is larger? For finding this, we have to find the length of each rope, or we can place one over the other. You can see this is larger than the small rope. Take two books. Which one is bigger? For this, we have to calculate the area. Isn't it, my dear children? So, which having more area, that will be larger. Next, what about rectangular blocks? See these two rectangular blocks. It is very easy to identify. This is smaller than this. So, it can hold more. So, this is larger, isn't it? What about this picture? Here also it is very easy. This one is bigger than this. So, this is larger. What about this picture? One is kept horizontally and the other kept vertically. So, in this case, it is very difficult to say which is bigger or which is smaller. So, how to find the size of a rectangular block? Here you can see all these rectangular blocks are made by stacking small equal blocks. So, we can find the number of blocks each block contains. So, let me take this figure number 1. How many rectangular small boxes are there in this first one? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, it has 8 small rectangular blocks. What about figure number 2? 2, 4, 6. What about in figure number 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it has 8, it has 6 and it has 5. So, tell me children, which one is the bigger one? No doubt, the first one is bigger. Now, tell me, is there any easy way to calculate the number of blocks in each figure? Anybody can tell me, is there any easy way to find number of blocks in each figure? How can we calculate? Yes, Amal is giving me the answer. Good. How? Lengthwise 2, breadthwise 2, heightwise 2. That means 2 into 2 into 2. So, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So, number of blocks are 8. Now, what about here? Lengthwise 3, breadthwise 1, heightwise 2. So, 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 into 1 is 6. Now, look at here. Lengthwise 5, breadthwise 1, heightwise 1. So, 5 into 1 gives 5. So, this is the easy way to calculate the number of blocks in a big rectangular blocks. Okay. If so, will you able to tell me number of blocks in the next figures? Okay. Look at this picture. Tell me in figure number 1. What about lengthwise? Figure 1. Lengthwise 3, breadthwise 3. Height wise 3. So total block 3 into 3 into 3. It is 27. Now figure 2. What about lengthwise? Sneha? Yes, it is lengthwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about breadthwise? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Kiran, you told me the answer. Very good, Kiran. Breadthwise, it is 3. What about the height, Alina? Height 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, Alina's answer is correct. It is 4. Now, how can we find total? It is 5 into 3 into 4. Rifan, give me 5 into 3 into 4. How much? It is 60. Yeah. So, total blocks are 60. Now, tell me among this figure 1 and figure 2, which is larger? 60. Total blocks in figure 1 is 27. Total blocks in figure number 2 is 60. So, no doubt the second figure block is the larger one. So, it is clear, children, how to calculate the number of blocks in the lengthwise, height-wise and breadth-wise. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Now, look at other figure. Okay, here also you want to compare which is the biggest one. So, figure 1 and figure 2. So, here you can tell me figure 1. Figure 1. Length equal to, yes, it is 3. Breadth wise 2. Height wise 2. So, total blocks 3 into 2 into 2. It is 12. Now, take figure 2. See, at a glance you will have a tendency to give me the answer, Miss. Block number, rectangular block number 1 is figure 1 is bigger, isn't it? Somebody told me the answer also, it's number 1. Figure number 1 is the bigger one. Okay, let us see. Now, total blocks we got, figure number 1 is 12. Now, what about figure number 2? Length-wise is just 3. Breadth-wise it is 2. Height-wise it is 2. So, now total equal to 3 into 2 into 2, it is 12. Now, tell me which is bigger? Both are of the same size. Clear? But the way they kept this block is different. So, if you want to give which one is larger and smaller, we have to find total number of blocks. So, the easy way of finding the total number of blocks is length into breadth into height. Okay. Now, look at the other figure. Here see, children, in this figure, instead of the rectangular block, here small cubes is stacked. So, here the cube of 1 centimeter, you know what is meant by cube? In a rectangular block, length, breadth and height are equal. We can call it is a cube. So, here in this figure, cube has a range. So, that cube of length 1, breadth 1, height 1. So, how many cubes are there in this figure? So, total number of cubes. Total number of cubes. We have discussed the easy way to calculate the total number of cubes. Lengthwise, tell me how many cubes? It is 4. Breadthwise, how many? 3. Height-wise, how many? 2. So, how can we find the total? Total equal to 4 into 3 into 2. 4 into 3, 12. 12 twos are 24. 24. So 24 cubes. Size measured like this is called volume in mathematics. We say that cube of length 1 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter, height 1 centimeter has a volume of 1 cubic centimeter. That means, what about the volume of this figure? Here the measurements are given in centimeter. So volume of this is 24 cubic centimeter. So volume of this figure is 24 cubic centimeter. So how can we find the volume? Volume means, yes, Alina is giving me the answer. Length into breadth into height. So volume of a rectangular box is the product of its length, breadth and height. Hope it is very clear how to find the volume. Isn't it, my children? So here comes the question. Look at this. Look at these pictures, my dear children. Here instead of dividing into the cubes, here it is marked as length, breadth and height. So this is the length, this is the breadth, this is the height. So you can calculate the volume very quickly. So figure number 1. So I am going to write figure number 1, the volume. Figure 1, volume equal to. Okay, Rinsan, give me what about the volume of figure number 1? Length into breadth into height. That means 7 into 4 into 2. 7 into 8. 7 8s are? Yes, it is 56. What is the unit? Here the measurements are given in centimeter. So volume equal to 56 cubic centimeter. So second figure, volume figure 2. Volume equal to, okay Amrita, tell me. It is 6 into 3 into 3. Very good. 6 into 3 into 3 is 54 cubic centimeter. Now, hope this class is very clear to my children how to calculate the volume of a rectangular block. With this, we can winding up today's session. Thank you. Have a nice day.